In the crowded market of project management software, choosing the right tool can feel like navigating a maze. From simple task trackers to robust enterprise solutions, each platform boasts a unique set of features and philosophies. Amidst this array, Smartsheet often emerges as a strong contender, particularly for organizations that value data, flexibility, and scalability. So, the question naturally arises, why would anyone use Smartsheet? As a project management expert, I've seen firsthand how different tools serve different needs. Smartsheet isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but it possesses distinct strengths that make it an invaluable asset for specific types of users and projects. Its core appeal lies in its unique blend of a familiar spreadsheet-like interface with powerful project management, automation, and collaboration capabilities. The power of familiarity Excel on steroids. One of the primary reasons people gravitate towards Smartsheet is its familiar interface. For countless professionals, Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets are ingrained tools for organizing data. Smartsheet leverages this familiarity by presenting a grid view that strongly resembles a spreadsheet. This significantly lowers the learning curve for teams accustomed to working with rows, columns, and cells. However, Smartsheet quickly transcends the limitations of a traditional spreadsheet. It's not just a fancy Excel. It's Excel on steroids with built-in project management intelligence. This means you get hierarchical task management, easily create parent-child relationships for tasks and subtasks, allowing for detailed breakdown structures, WBS, that are difficult to manage in pure spreadsheets. Gantt charts. Convert your grid data into professional Gantt charts with a single click, visualizing timelines, dependencies, and critical paths. This is a fundamental feature for any serious project manager. Kanban boards, for teams that prefer agile methodologies. Smartsheet offers a card view that transforms your data into Kanban boards, allowing for visual workflow management, e.g., to do, in progress, done. Calendar view. See tasks and deadlines laid out in a traditional calendar format for easy scheduling and overview. This multi-view flexibility means that different team members can interact with project data in the way that best suits their preferences and roles, all while working from a single source of truth. Beyond the grid, automation, and workflows, where Smartsheet truly differentiates itself from basic spreadsheets is its robust automation engine. This is a game-changer for project managers looking to reduce repetitive manual tasks and ensure consistency across projects. You can set up custom workflows to send alerts and reminders, automatically notify team members of upcoming deadlines, overdue tasks, or changes in project status. Request updates and approvals. Automate requests for status updates or document approvals, streamlining review cycles. Change statuses. Automatically move tasks between stages, e.g., from in progress to in review once a specific action is completed. Assign tasks. Automatically assign tasks to team members based on certain triggers. Record dates. Automatically stamp dates when a task enters a specific status, providing clear audit trails. These automations drastically improve efficiency, reduce human error, and free up project managers to focus on strategic oversight rather than administrative minutiae. For complex projects with many moving parts and stakeholders, this capability ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. Collaboration and visibility at scale. Effective collaboration is the bedrock of successful projects, and Smartsheet is built with this in mind. It enables real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on the same sheet simultaneously, seeing changes as they happen. Key collaborative features include sharing and permissions, granular control over who can view, edit, or manage specific parts of a sheet, report, or dashboard. This is crucial for managing sensitive information and external stakeholders. Row-level commenting. Facilitate discussions directly within the context of specific tasks or rows, keeping conversations organized and accessible. Update requests. Efficiently gather information from stakeholders without requiring them to navigate the entire sheet. Proofing. For creative teams, Smartsheet's proofing features allow for streamlined feedback and approval cycles on visual assets and documents. Integrations. Connect Smartsheet with other popular business tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, Google Workspace, Jira, Salesforce, and more, creating a more cohesive data ecosystem. For project managers overseeing large programs or portfolios, Smartsheet's dashboards and reports are invaluable. These features allow you to create centralized dashboards, build customized, real-time dashboards that pull data from multiple sheets, providing executives and stakeholders with an at-a-glance view of project health, KPIs, and progress across an entire portfolio. Generate cross-sheet reports, consolidate data from various sheets into a single, comprehensive report, enabling high-level analysis and decision-making. This level of visibility and reporting is essential for making data-driven decisions, identifying bottlenecks, and keeping all stakeholders informed and aligned. Ideal use cases and scenarios. Given its strengths, Smartsheet shines in several scenarios. Complex projects and programs. Its ability to handle vast amounts of data, manage intricate dependencies, and provide robust reporting makes it ideal for large, multifaceted projects or entire programs. Portfolio management, PMO Smartsheet's Control Center, and advanced reporting capabilities are perfect for project management offices that need to standardize processes, track performance across multiple projects, and allocate resources efficiently at a strategic level. Businesses transitioning from spreadsheets. Organizations heavily reliant on Excel or Google Sheets for project tracking will find Smartsheet a natural and powerful upgrade, retaining the familiarity while adding robust PM functionalities. Cross-functional teams. Its flexible views and strong collaboration features make it suitable for teams with diverse working styles, e.g., marketing, IT, operations, events, process automation. For businesses looking to automate repetitive administrative tasks within their project workflows, Smartsheet's automation engine is a major draw.